Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to make your financial life easier. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to delete a budget in the YNAB app. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a fantastic tool for tracking your expenses and staying on top of your money, but sometimes you need to clean house and remove an old budget. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into the YNAB app on your phone or computer. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're in the right account to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your budgets. Tap or click on the one you want to delete. YNAB might ask you to confirm your selection, so go ahead and do that. Now, look for the Options menu. It's usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon next to the budget name. Click on that, and you should see a Delete or Remove Budget option. Before you proceed, a quick word of caution. Deleting a budget is permanent, so if this budget has important data, you might want to export it first. YNAB doesn't always offer a recycle bin, so think twice. Once you're sure, select Delete and confirm the action when prompted. The app will process it quickly, and poof, your budget is gone. You'll be redirected back to your dashboard, where you can create a new one if needed. There you have it. Deleting a budget in YNAB is simple and helps keep your financial setup tidy. If you're new to YNAB, I highly recommend exploring their other features to maximize your budgeting game. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.